Hello. Sa video presentation naman, si Mr. Ramon Cardenas, our Dutch President. Sa LCD, si Miss Penny Montanier. Sa K, Y, etc., etc. Si Miss Penny Montanier. Ang kumari kong sexy, walang kapahan. Kupas-kupas. The songs by Robert Dachica. So nominated. And si EJ. Si EJ. Ang jowa ng sexy kong kumari. Dance presentation for CD headed by Glenn Dixon. Yes! And additional videographer. Thank you, Glenn.
Welcome.
Host, si Ma'am Eva. Ma'am Cora Sison. And hindi na lang. Program concepts and ideas. Oh, Ma'am Eva. Thank you very much, Jefe. Thank you. And to all who are gathered here, take their time to make this celebration happy, memorable, and most special to God, Father Emmanuel. Kung gather us all here. Para sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko makakalimutan itong araw nito. At hindi ko rin kayo makakalimutan. Guard, pakilabas na ito. Thank you,